Hi guys, this is Garage Car and join us today as we unbox this Inspeed high performance brake kit. Let's go! We got here a 2-piece forged aluminum TS6 6-piston caliper that fits an 18-inch rim. Front brackets, left and right wheels. We also have HEL stainless steel braided brake lines. And also the Inspeed brake fluid DOT 5.1. Now we have the rear brake set. This one is a 2-piece forged aluminum TS4 4-piston caliper. It also comes with a bracket, HEL stainless steel braided brake lines, and also the Inspeed brake fluid DOT 5.1. This set also comes with a Inspeed signature branch patterned rotor. This is 355 millimeters in diameter, front rotor with floating screws. Here we have the rear rotor. It also comes in a signature branch pattern design. It is 358 in diameter and has regular screws. So that's it. Hope you guys like this unboxing. If you guys want this upgrade, like, follow, subscribe, and message us on our socials. What are you waiting for? Let's gear up your ride. See you on our next video. Bye!